Assalamu alaikum, good morning one more time to our new episode. Hope you guys are doing well. Another morning in Re-Rai campsite. Surrounded by nature. This morning was amazing like before. We were expecting not more than this. I took some nice shots. I hope you can feel it. It was a different experience to, see such kind of sunrise. Whole family was sleeping inside and I was trying to get some good shots on field this morning. Then I decided to fly like a bird again. With the drone, I was always having this opportunity to explore the surrounding of the place where we are staying in. So that's why every morning when the kids are sleeping and I have some quality time, I always prefer to, take good shots of the location where we are staying. I'm feeling a bit sick while doing this voiceover of this video, but my commitment is to give you guys regular intervals of every episode of NC500 Insights. I think this is the end of this session for this place, and I start running up for the breakfast and getting ready for the next location, which will be a lot more to come on this day. One more castle. I will give you great shots with the Scotland cow. I don't know what exactly we call it, but I will take some good shots, some shots where you can see how they eat, how they live, how their cattle farms are. And that's how we left that place, the Re-Rai campsite. And now I start heading towards the castle, another castle which was close by our location. This day was, full of entertainment, full of locations. And upcoming, once we left that campsite, I was short of time because this was almost the second last day. And the next day, I'm going to leave back to my home from the another location. Here we go. So we reached to the castle. Sorry guys, I couldn't tell you the exact name of this castle now, but I will write in description 100%, because due to the short of time I couldn't go in details. I will not talk too much, and I will let you give this time to feel the vibe of this place. And I know my words can't do justice. That's over for the castle, and upcoming videos will be the same day. I will cover, as I said, this castle I did, and then I will stay few minutes to a place like a cattle farm, where I will give you some amazing shots, the close shots with the Scottish cow, the famous cow. And then I will head towards the fairy pool and the Harry Potter bridge, Glenfiddich. That will be also upcoming. Oh my god, very cute baby. Have a look. Yeah, here we go. These cows are amazing to experience and touching them. My son is almost look like same with this cow, the hairstyle. Then I decided to take some good shots with my drone. Just have a look how they are taking care of these animals. This guy observed and he tried to catch my drone, and I ran away because they were not happy, because their cattle, I guess their cattle can distract or make issue, can create issue for them, so that's why they are not appreciating the drones around. That's how I finished that part of amazing video, and then I decided not to disturb them further and start looking for Isle of Skye and Fairy Pool, because we were on the way and this was a small kind of a stopover. We are coming! Fairy pools, you can't go anywhere. We are coming to you. This was the time we were looking forward for finding that place. We were stopping, we stopped 2-3 different locations. The GPS was not that much supportive. Then I stopped over to another hotel. I asked them about the real point of Isle of Skye and Fairy Pools. So then he guided me, and then I decided to start heading towards that point. Then I hope in the next episode you guys will gobsmacked and you will get amazed with the beauty of Fairy Pools. That was a rainy day. It was not sunny at all, so we were feeling too cold, but we didn't give up, and my son especially, we tried to reach to the top of ferry pole, the last point. And due to the younger son, I told my wife to go back to the car. Otherwise, they were also coming with us. This is the ferry pole mountain. Once we will start, you will see like how amazing it will be. It's almost like end of this video, and we are going to reach to the point where the ferry pole stopover will come, and there will be a proper parking place, and from there I will start the next episode. See you guys, and don't miss next episode. It's very amazing. Thank you. Bye.